Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A vibrant, sunny garden scene showcasing a beautifully landscaped pathway winding through an array of colorful flowers. The pathway is made of patterned stone pavers, bordered by lush greenery and a riot of blooming flowers in various hues, bright pinks, yellows, oranges, and purples. A modern house with large windows and a wooden porch on one side of the scene provides a contemporary backdrop, while towering trees and a manicured lawn create depth and a sense of tranquility. A picturesque garden scene featuring a charming wooden house with a two-story structure, surrounded by lush greenery. The house showcases large windows adorned with colorful flower boxes filled with vibrant blooms. A wooden pergola sits in the foreground, complemented by a rustic dining table and chairs, inviting relaxation. The garden is a riot of color, with a diverse array of flowers, including sunflowers and daisies, creating a rich tapestry against the rich green lawn. Stone pathways meander through the garden, guiding the eye through a landscape filled with various plants and shrubs. A charming and serene courtyard garden, featuring a winding path of smooth pebbles that leads through an array of lush, potted plants and herbs. The scene is set in a warm, sunlit environment reminiscent of impressionist style, with vibrant greens and subtle earth tones. Large terracotta pots filled with aromatic plants like rosemary and lavender are strategically placed, creating a natural, inviting atmosphere. The background includes rustic brick walls adorned with climbing vines, and a glimpse of a quaint building with wooden beams and a tiled roof. Soft shadows from the surrounding trees enhance the peaceful ambience. A beautifully landscaped garden entrance framed by a rustic brick wall, featuring a wrought iron archway adorned with cascading purple wisteria blossoms. The pathway is made of warm-toned rectangular stone tiles leading through a lush garden filled with vibrant flowers, green foliage, and carefully manicured hedges. The scene is set during daytime, showcasing natural sunlight filtering through the trees, creating soft shadows on the ground. A cozy and inviting backyard scene featuring a wooden deck adorned with a modern sectional sofa and matching armchairs, surrounded by lush greenery. The setting is a residential area with two-story houses visible in the background, partially obscured by trees. The deck's rich brown wood contrasts beautifully with various potted lavender plants in full bloom, adding pops of purple to the scene. Soft, warm sunlight filters through the leaves, casting gentle shadows on the deck. The overall aesthetic blends elements of natural beauty with a touch of modern comfort, evoking a serene atmosphere perfect for relaxation. A serene garden scene blending traditional and contemporary aesthetics, featuring a large koi pond surrounded by smooth stones and green lily pads. The pond is adorned with vibrant koi fish, showcasing shades of orange, white, and black. In the background, a two-story wooden house with large windows complements the natural setting, framed by lush trees and colorful blooming flowers. On one side, a wooden pergola with comfortable seating provides a cozy outdoor gathering space, enhanced by hanging lanterns. Sunlight filters through the trees, creating a warm, golden tone throughout the scene, evoking a peaceful, tranquil atmosphere. A vibrant, lush backyard garden in a suburban setting, featuring a cozy wooden deck in the center adorned with a light-colored umbrella. The scene captures a warm and inviting atmosphere, with various potted flowers and blooming plants in rich shades of pink, red, and green. Sunlight filters through the overhead trees, casting soft shadows across the meticulously manicured lawn that boasts a vivid green hue. The surrounding spaces include rustic wooden fencing and well-maintained flower beds brimming with vibrant flora, enhancing the picturesque quality. A serene backyard garden scene in a suburban setting, featuring a luxurious home with a cozy, inviting aesthetic. The architecture is traditional with rich wooden accents and large windows, surrounded by lush greenery. A winding pond filled with colorful koi fish is the focal point, bordered by vibrant flower beds with blooming orange and red flowers. The patio area, shaded by a wooden pergola, showcases elegant outdoor furniture, creating an inviting space for relaxation. The surrounding foliage is a mix of deep greens, with sunlight filtering through the leaves, casting playful shadows. A serene garden setting featuring a circular arrangement of 5 black Adirondack chairs surrounding a cozy fire pit, made of stone. The fire pit displays a gentle flame, casting a warm glow. The ground is paved with uneven, multicolored stone tiles, adding a rustic charm. Lush greenery surrounds the scene, with an abundance of vibrant flowers in shades of red, pink, and white, creating a rich tapestry of colors. The backdrop includes a dark wooden fence, enhancing the sense of privacy and tranquility. Soft, diffused natural light filters through the foliage, evoking a peaceful, idyllic atmosphere reminiscent of impressionist paintings. A charming, cozy house nestled in an expansive garden bursting with vibrant colors. The scene features a mix of lush, green foliage and an array of blooming flowers in various hues, particularly orange marigolds and purple lavender. The architecture is modern with a traditional touch, showcasing gray wooden siding and a sloping roof. Overcast skies create a moody yet serene atmosphere, casting soft, diffused light over the landscape. The garden exudes a lush, impressionistic quality, with wildflowers and organized beds blending harmoniously, inviting a sense of peace and tranquility. Modern Zen garden in a serene setting, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and contemporary architecture. The scene features a sleek, minimalist exterior with large glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery. Soft, natural light illuminates the space, highlighting polished wooden decks and smooth gray pebbles. Lush greenery contrasts beautifully with the structured design, including carefully manicured bonsai trees and strategically placed rocks. A calming water feature runs parallel to the pathway, with gentle ripples adding a sense of tranquility. A serene outdoor scene depicting a circular stone fire pit surrounded by lush greenery in a sunlit garden. The setting is a tranquil and inviting natural space, featuring tall, majestic trees with sprawling branches, adorned with hanging Spanish moss. The ground is covered with a mix of pebbles and soil, interspersed with vibrant ferns and tropical plants.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4 Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.